Hi, um, Namaste, and good afternoon. My name is Lakshmi Prasad Khanal. So in this video, I'm just going to be talking about e-research, its scope and applications. So let me just share my screen first of all, and then I'll be talking about this in detail. Um, okay, this is what I'm just going to be presenting. So like I said, e-research. So first of all, we have to understand what e-research is. This is what I'll be talking. I'll also be talking about the scope and applications of e-research. So first of all, let me just talk to you about what e-research is. So basically, e-research is the use of digital technologies, tools, methods of conducting research across various disciplines. So it has earned the popularity across you know disciplines these days. In other words, e-research basically refers to the use of ICT, including digital infrastructure, high performance computing, and collaborative platforms to enable new and more efficient forms of research. So it used to be limited in like STEM fields only in the past, but has, like I said, it has spanned across disciplines, across various disciplines, such as humanities and social sciences as well. So it has actually emerged as a transformative force in academic inquiry since the early 2000s, fundamentally changing how research is actually conducted, conceived and disseminated. So talking about the scope of e-research, so e-research was actually originated in e-science, which is um, used for grid computing, for physics and astronomy. This means, like research, e-research was basically limited to physics and astronomy in the past, but now it has evolved into um, different domains or disciplines. And also, these domains could include digital humanities and linguistics, environmental science and social sciences, etc. And therefore, the digital infrastructure in the humanities now supports end-to-end workflows through availability across various disciplines and regions. Okay, so let me just talk to you the applications of e-research as well. So there are a variety of applications of e-research. So e-research can be used in different sectors for different purposes. For example, it can be applied for economic modeling as well, ecosystem or economic modeling as well, human genome exploration. It can also be used for large linguistic corpus analysis and integrated social policy analysis. So talking about its applications in the field of education, so it has a lot of like implications. For example, e-research can be used in like digital um, tools as part of digital tools as well. For example, virtual labs expand across access to scientific experimentation. So, e-research is to be conducted by, science, let's say STEM students in India. So it is also used for e-learning and digital materials. To have, like digital materials, e-research can be useful and can be applied. Like for interactive platforms, multimedia, and online lessons, which actually promote engagement, personalization, and flexible learning delivery. It can also be used for education research tools, for for digital surveys, analytics platforms, and data-enabled collaboration tools, support research design, participant engagement, and data analysis. So in conclusion, what I would like to say is that e-research has actually transformed how research is conducted by integrating ICT with domain-specific workflows and collaboration. So the way research used to be done in the past has tremendously changed. over the course of time. With the advent of science and technology, the way or approach of undertaking research has actually changed. In the past, people had to visit the physical sites to collect data. But now, with the advent of like e-research, now the people can actually conduct such online surveys online through like Google Forms, etc. So regarding the collection of data as well, it can be actually collected by the help of different online platforms like Google Meets or Zoom, Microsoft Teams, etc. So they cannot or they should not actually go physically these days. So it has actually created kind of ease to the e-researchers. And its continued success actually relies on infrastructure investment as well, inclusive access and tailored support across disciplines. So it can. So one of the benefits of e-research can actually create digital divide. So if there is no availability of like digital technology or digital platform, etc., so it's actually difficult to conduct e-research. So it actually encourages researchers, regardless of their field, to embrace e-research for more impactful, transparent, and skill-conscious scholarship as well. So e-research has actually changed the way research is conducted, or it is actually a kind of revolution in the field of research as well. So it has actually, supported to the researchers, especially in the field of academics, regarding the conduction of research. So thank you very much. See you next time. Thank you.